You mentioned that there's inefficiencies in the land market. Do you see that? Have you seen that change at all over the last decade, or do you think that's just
Not
going
at
to be
all,
there
man.
forever? Okay.
I suppose if you're in Manhattan and you have busloads of people who are experts, even so with houses, if you're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in this neighborhood and it's 2,500 square feet, and people are going to have there's going to be some efficiency there about, okay, this is what that house is worth. Here's all the comps. But with rural land, it's really extreme just how inefficient the market is. I can't tell you how many times I'll see a piece of land that's listed on the MLS. I'll call some agent who's in the city who's never been to the land. And first, I have to leave 3 or 4 voicemails before I even, not to disparage all agents, but this happens often. I have to leave 3 or 4 voicemails before I get them to call back. They finally call back. They send me a map pin that's in the totally wrong place. I get there. There's no trails. There's no tracks. The survey's wrong. There's no corner pins put in. There's a gas line on the back that wasn't disclosed. The corner irons are not set, whatever it is. And because I know about the property, I'm able to know things that the agent doesn't know, and to see value that they might not have been counting on. And not only that, but I'll buy land from people all the time. And it's like the old thing. Like if you've got this old junker boat in your yard, it's almost worth negative money to you, right? You just want it gone. But to someone who's like a boat aficionado who runs a boat store in the city, like they might come out and pay for it. So different things are worth different amounts to different people. And there's a lot of inefficiency there. Also, the MLSs are broken up into different, like in my area, there's 3 different MLSs, and it might be in one and not in the other. And a lot of times you can't even get someone to show you a piece of rural property. You'll call them up and ask for a showing, and they'll show up in high heels or a business suit. And so there's all kind of inefficiencies, just to answer your question, but it's extreme in land. I think it might be less extreme in houses.
I think that's one of the fun things about land. And not only is there inefficiencies, you're also describing some asymmetry of information. You knowing what you do, you go out there and you have all kinds of extra information that